Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuits with 3 ingredients. First, gather your ingredients: self-rising flour, heavy cream, and a pinch of sugar. This incredibly simple recipe delivers warm, fluffy biscuits without the fuss of traditional methods. You'll be amazed at how quickly these come together, perfect for any meal or a delightful snack. Now, let's mix our dough. In a bowl, gently combine 2 cups of self-rising flour with 5 cups of heavy cream. Mix until just combined, do not overmix. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and pat it down to about 3/4 inch thick. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter or a knife to cut out 8 to 10 biscuits. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your cut biscuits on a baking sheet, leaving a small space between each one. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and have risen significantly. Keep an eye on them to prevent overbrowning, as oven temperatures can vary. Your delicious 3-ingredient biscuits are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like butter, jam, or a savory gravy. These quick and easy biscuits are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a comforting side to any meal. You'll love how simple it is to create such a delightful treat from scratch. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.